Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my lovely kindergarten students. How are you today? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Guess what? Today, Teacher Kaniz is going to show you the nature, the mountain, the river, the rocks, the sands, and many more, the wonderful creation of Allah. So, are you ready to see all the elements of nature that Allah has created for us? So, you can see behind me, I've started my video by showing you the mountain behind me, and also I can show you the sand that I am just standing on, and I will walk through the sand, and I will show you the river as well and the rock. So Teacher Kaniz had a fantastic tour to come to this place and to show you the wonderful elements. So let's go and check it out. Children, I am going to Sylhet, which is far from my home. I have to go through by plane, and then after getting out from the airport, I have to take the car to go to our destination. I'm going to Sylhet, which is situated in the northeastern side of Bangladesh, and it is a big division, a big district. আমরা কি একটু থেমে একটু দাঁড়াতে পারবো নাকি দাঁড়ানোর কোনো স্কোপ নাই? Children, can you see what is over there? Children, what is that behind the huge element? It's called mountain. It's called mountain. Can you see the close view of the mountain from here? Look how beautiful the nature is. How beautiful the mountain is. See? MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah, is the beautiful creation of Allah. That is called mountain. And you can see how beautiful the nature is over here. You can see the mountain and the sky and the green field with so many plants and trees. Can you see this? Look at the nature, the mountain. The mountain. What is this? Say with me. Mountain. So I can show you the view of the mountain. MashaAllah. Children, I'm walking through a bridge right now from where you can see mountain in one side, and I'm walking through the bridge from where you can see the national flower of our country. The national flower is called water lily. It's called water lily. So this is the flower. Okay, the pink flower. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. Water lily. I'll show you it. Water lily everywhere. And over there, look. Look. Water lily everywhere. Say MashaAllah. Whenever you see something very beautiful, you have to say MashaAllah. The nature that Allah has created for us. MashaAllah. Children, I am in front of the boat right now, and I am going to ride the boat to show you something very beautiful. Are you ready with me? Are you ready? Okay, then let's go. Look, children. Look. Oh, beautiful. Look. The water lily everywhere. Water lily everywhere. And look at the mountain. The nature. Children, look, the beautiful flower. It's the national flower of our country, which is called the water lily, and this is the leaf of the water lily, and you can see the buds of the flower, and this is the half bloom flower. And if you go a little bit, far, you can see the flowers which beautifully bloomed. And today I'll introduce you with someone. Children, I am going to introduce my friend whose name is Shobut, and he's over there, and he is the one who brought me here. And Shobut, say hi to my children. Hi. Okay, so he is the friend who brought me here, this beautiful place, and let us talk to him. Shobut, can you tell me what is the name of this beautiful place?
This is Dibir Hawar.
Dibir Hawar. This is Dibir Hawar.
Shapla,
that is water lily bill. Like, this is the place where so many water lilies they grow. Okay, and this is in Sylhet, the metropolitan city. It's a very famous city in our country, Bangladesh, and the most beautiful country I personally love. So thank you very much, Shobut, my friend, to bring us to this wonderful place to show the nature to my students. So children, you should say thank you to my friend Shobut. Okay? So let's go and continue watching the beautiful, beautiful nature. Okay? Oh, look, children! Oh, mashallah, look at this beautiful scenario. Children, look, what are these? These are the rocks, and Teacher Kaniz is walking over the rocks, the small and big sizes, different sizes of rocks, and the local name of these rocks are boulder. Butu. Okay. So the small rocks are called single, and the big rocks are called boulder. Okay. Okay. So these are the rocks you can see, and we are walking over the rocks here. And children, these rocks are very slippery. So you have to walk very carefully whenever you walk over it. Okay. So you can see so many sizes of rocks, and I can show you the wonderful, beautiful scenario of the nature with the rocks. Look at that big one over here. Look at that big one, and the medium one, and small, and so many sizes of rocks. You can see this is a rock beach. The beach with the rock. Oh, mashallah, please. What a wonderful, wonderful creation. The rocks, the different sizes, and the different, colors, of course. Some are white, some are blue, some are gray. Okay? And, okay, so these are the rocks. Children, I would like to show you something very interesting over here. Look at this rock. What is the shape you think the rock is? Do you think it's a heart-shaped rock? I think yes. It's a heart-shaped rock. Okay, so I can show you some rocks by holding it on my hand. So you can see the rocks are super strong, and it's like, you know, steel body, rocky body at least. Okay, yeah. So that's the story from here. Teacher is very tired. Children, guess what? I am in front of a river now. Can you see rocks under the river? Look at the river. Huh? Piang. Okay. The name of this river is Piang. Piang River. Okay. So you can see the river. Okay. So I want to stand over that sand. Yes, over that stone. And here you go. Sand, not sand, the stone under the water, and you can see the river. What is that? River, the mountain. And over there, if you can see, there is a small waterfall. There is a small waterfall, okay? But the water flow is not that heavy. It's a very small water flow, but that is a waterfall over there. Okay, and that border, you can see the bridge over there. That border is the Indian border. So you can't cross. If you are, I can't cross that part of the river because that is Indian border. You need a visa. If you want to go over there, you need a visa. Okay, so that is India. And this part is Bangladesh. So you can say I am at the border point of India and Bangladesh. So you can see the nature from here. Okay, the river, mountain, waterfall, stone, sand, everything over here. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. What a wonderful scenario. Okay. See the river? See? Children, guess what? I am in front of the tea garden. Can you see behind me? It's a tea garden. So this garden, the tea garden, is the famous drink in all over the world. We know that tea is the famous drink in all over the world after coffee. So tea leaves, the tea garden, it's very famous, and this country, this city is famous for the tea plant. Let me show you the tea plant in a close view. Okay, children, look, the fresh green leaves. These are the fresh leaves. So teas actually are collected from these small fresh leaves, not from these big leaves. Okay, it's from the small fresh leaves, and the workers, they just pick up the small leaves from here. They dry these leaves and they make the tea. Okay, so remember, the fresh small leaves are the tea leaves, not the big one. These are not the tree leaves. These are the tea leaves. Okay, the fresh one, the small leaves. Children, I would like to show you how the sky and the mountain, that touches each other. See, the sky and the mountain and the tea leaves, the tea garden. Look at the mountain behind, and if you see far, look at the mountains over there, and the tea gardens. The tea garden is a huge area of the tea garden, and the tea leaves, you can see, I already have shown you. And here you go, the nature, the nature, the mountains. It's the dawn time, so I can show you the sun is going down. MashaAllah, what a wonderful scenario. Look at the color of the sky at the dawn time, and the tea garden as well. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah. Beautiful, isn't it, children? Beautiful. Children, I am in front of a shop, a tea shop that is called 7 Color Tea Shop. So here you go. Here is the shop. Okay, I can show you the shop. And this shop is called 7 Color Tea Shop, where I can get 7 color of tea. So let's go to show you the 7 color, that means the rainbow tea. Children, I would like to show you the 7 color tea. It's a specialty in this country. So this is the tea. You can see 7 color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is the specialty that is called the 7 color tea. 7 color tea. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 color tea. So let's go and enjoy the tea. So it's time to say bye because I have finished my class, and it's time for Teacher Kaniz to go back home. Teacher Kaniz is going back home. I hope you enjoyed the class. So learn the vocabularies and say bye to Teacher Kaniz. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.